Now we are going to learn auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Before, we learn the basic sentence structure. Subject, verb, and object. 我 subject, verb 喝 drink, object 茶 tea. Now let's see this auxiliary verb 要 It is a verb and auxiliary verb. If you say 我要茶 means I want tea. What I want is tea. Okay, so 要 is want, the concept of wanting. If we put this auxiliary verb before verb, 我要喝茶 means in my mind, I have the desire, I want to drink tea. We use auxiliary verb to tell listener more information about the verb. Just like English, in this lesson, we learn some auxiliary verbs. One is 要 and one is 喜欢. You can say 我喜欢喝茶. It means I like to drink. In this lesson, we learn the other auxiliary verb is I. You can say 我爱喝茶. It means I love to drink tea. The order is subject, auxiliary verb, and object. Subject, auxiliary verb, object. Now let's read these three example sentences and find which word is the auxiliary verb. First one. 妈妈喜欢喝奶茶. 妈妈喜欢喝奶茶. Could you find the auxiliary verb? Yes, it is 喜欢. The main verb is 喝. The object is 奶茶. Auxiliary verb and object. Let's read the second one. 你要去老师家吗? 你要去老师家吗? Which word is the auxiliary verb? Yes, it is 要, and 去 is the main verb. 我爱吃水果，不爱喝珍珠奶茶。Here, 水果, third tone and third tone. We change this third tone to second tone, so we pronounce 水果，水果。我爱吃水果，不爱喝珍珠奶茶。In this sentence, could you find the auxiliary verb? Yes, I. And pay attention. We put negative adverb in front of auxiliary verb. We don't say I 不喝珍珠奶茶。No, no, no. I is auxiliary verb. We think auxiliary verb is a kind of verb. So, verb, they combine together closer. So we put 不 before I. Please remember this rule. 不爱喝，不爱喝。And in this sentence, if we want to negate this sentence, which position we could put 不? Yes, before 喜欢。妈妈喜欢喝奶茶，妈妈不喜欢喝奶茶。We put 不 before auxiliary verb. So 不喜欢。And here, 不要去，不爱喝。Got it? See you next time. Bye.